Hi, this is Melanie. I'm down here at Ben Franklin in Monroe, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Z card. The Z card is made, ta-da, like the shape of a Z, and you can decorate. You have actually 6 sides to decorate. So much fun. And something that makes it really easy is to use cut-aparts. And this is the cut-apart that I chose for today. It's Simply Spring from Doodlebug from last year. We still have a lot of this in the store. So many fun ideas for this. And I used shape sprinkles. They come in different colors. I liked the yellow one best. And I chose the little So Tweet birds that are just so cute with this paper line. And then I have a couple of background papers here. The cloudiness and the lines, you'll see how I use that in here. And then you'll also need 2 regular cards to make the Z card. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is take your 2 blank cards and go ahead and just crease them so that they're folded. And this one's folded this way. And basically what we're going to do is glue one inside the other. See how that makes? So I'm going to open it up and go ahead. And this is where I do like to use the double-sided adhesive because I feel like it makes it a little bit stronger than the glue, but you know what, if you only have the glue, you can use the glue, it's okay. And I just realized, okay, put it all the way around. So just double check. Okay, I'm gonna stick those together. There's my Z card, those are gonna be together. Okay, just double check when you do that to make sure. And I do like to do that trick that you might have seen. I trim my finger, where you pull it off and leave a little bit hanging out, because that lets you line up the card a little better. Trimmed my fingernails last night. Come on. Here we go. Maybe a little too much. Actually, that's going to be right in here. I'm not going to be able to pull it, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that one out. And then I'm going to line it up. Make sure it's even here and it's even across the top. Pretty square. And then go ahead and fold this over. And then just pull these out and press it all the way around. And there's your Z card. Next, I'm going to show you how I decorated this because it actually, takes a little bit of time. So fun though, when people get these cards, they love them. So I used this cut apart from here, and I cut out some grass from our die cut center downstairs. And then use those little flowers to make it look like there's flowers down there and a couple of birds. I actually put some of the yellow dots in here too from that little package. I should show you that little package so you can see. There's little dots and little flowers, hearts and stars and triangles. Okay, then I open it up and I went ahead and used this wheelbarrow, which is from over here, and just kind of fussy cut that out and put that there. And I wanted to do some writing, and so that's why I use this line paper that's the back of one of those, but I decided I didn't like the way my writing was, so I printed it out and glued it on here. This Hello Sunshine is right here. Cut that one out, put a border on it, double board, because I like double borders. And then I actually did everything else, and then last of all I put these on it because they were the ones I had left over after I used the flowers everywhere. And I even, on this one, put the little hearts from the birds in here. Use some more of the shapes. I don't know if you can see the glossiness on those, the shapes from those. And then turning it over. I've got a place for a gift card. So here is this little, I got your back. Just fussy cut that out and glued it on. And some more grass and flowers. This one, I fussy cut this little window box out, put some little glossies on there, some little birds of course because they're so adorable, and that's what I used for that one. I think that's all of it. So when you give it to them, you can kind of decide how you want it to go, but it's like this, and you open it up, they'll flip it over, they'll be like, oh my gosh, and then it's just fun because you can just, like, they'll stand it up and they'll leave it stood up, and I bet it'll stay for a long time.